my channel, you guys. So today we've been in quarantine for almost a month and most of us are dying to get rid of that facial hair, extra brow hair, upper lip, and I'm going to show you how to do that with only a thread. So before we get started, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, and now let's begin. So I prefer threading because I have never tried shaving my face, and I tried waxing my upper lip, but it was a disaster, so I stopped, and that's why I continue with threading. So you will need a thread. This is a regular sewing thread. I prefer this over to the thread that is used in the parlors for threading, just because it's thinner and it removes the smallest and the lightest of hair on your face. So the most important part is to keep your face dry before you start threading, because if there's moisture, it's going to be super difficult to remove your facial hair. I think the best time to do it is after you come out from the shower, before you apply your moisturizer. That's the best time to do it. So what you need to do is take your thread for about 15 to 16 inches, just break it and then make a loop and just tie the knot here. Join the two sides and just tie the knot. So this is how it's going to look like. Once you've done that, you just need to hold the thread like this from both the ends and just twist it in opposite directions for at least 14 to 15 times. What you need to ensure is that the knot that we tied to join the two ends has to be behind your finger. So I just do it about 15 to 16 times till I get about an inch of this. So once you have a 1.5 inch section of the twisted thread in the center, you just need to try doing this action. Apparently this is called the scissor movement. And once you're happy, once you think that you may be comfortable with it, let's start threading. So I'm going to stretch my upper lip using my tongue and then start threading. Now what you have to do is you have to put your hair through this area and move this hand so that you cut the hair through.
Little.
There guys, I've done my upper lip. It was so easy, I can't even tell you. I also recommend you to do a little patch test on your face because you might be extra sensitive to threading. So it's better to do a little patch test before you do your entire face. Now for my brows, I'm going to take a smaller thread because that just gives me more control over the thread, the placement and my hand movement, because I don't want to cut my brow from the middle. So I've made my thread and now I'm going to start doing my brows. I like to start from the top and then go to the bottom of my brows. So for the top part, I don't need to stretch or anything, so I can start right away. So I like to start from a little distance from my brows because you need to go extremely slow and you do not want to mess your brows. I'm just following the shape of my existing brow and cutting the excess hair. I've also adjusted my thread because I was not very comfortable with that length of the thread, so I've got a little smaller thread. For the lower part of my brows, I'm going to raise my brow and go extremely slow with the threading and take one hair at a time. So if you have one hair that is bothering you, I recommend using a tweezer to remove it, because if you constantly thread at one particular place, it might just cut your skin because it's so thin and sensitive. So once I'm done with my threading, I don't like to put anything on my face, be it ice, aloe vera gel, cream, moisturizer, anything. I just let it be for 15 to 20 minutes, wash my face and then apply a moisturizer. You can do this on yourself, your friends, your family member, or it can also be perfect for your college life. So guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you very soon in my next video. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you for watching.